Going on with y'all? Mopar Rick. Finally made another damn video after a year or some shit. Got my boy right there, Dom, with his Malibu and shit. I ain't gonna. I hope it did pick yours since I turned it. I don't know how this shit look. All right, Dom, show him the Malibu what you working with and shit.
Right here, 2017 Chevy Malibu. Powered by Ecotech engine. Come turbocharged. Also, I got the HID light.
Hey, the HID look crispy though.
Crispy. Sitting on 22-inch rims.
Them twos though.
Gotta push the button, unlock the door. Check out this the lights on the door. Lock it, that red light come on.
Well, you know the shit I kind of dislike how you don't have no actual lock there no more. I low key don't. I really don't like that shit, bro. I like to see the actual damn lock.
Hell yeah, hey, that shit throw you off, bro.
Especially if you ain't no push button start. I lock my keys in the car. Well, how you know the car wasn't locked? Shit, I can't see it.
Got ES18 speakers. This should go out the tool.
You talking about the jack? That's the only thing I'm seeing. I don't see nothing else. I don't see nothing else.
Got the tail lights tinted. Okay.
So you say you got that? So you say you got that turbo though. So how that bitch be rolling?
Turbo.
So in Mexico, how fast you went in that joint?
I went about 130.
This joint go 130?
130.
God damn.
Interstate.
Alright, y'all can't be sleeping on Malibu. This probably one of the few ones that when they drive fast, it can actually go fast compared to some of the older models. Cause I be hating how you got the motherfuckers get like, oh, this is Malibu, they be hauling ass shit. That or people with damn Ford Tauruses and shit. Hey, that joint nice though. So this is the Ecotech. That's about what? 200 what horsepower?
200.
200? Oh, that's get down with it. All right, so when you gonna line up on the track? Race one of the Focuses or some shit like that.
I done raced one before.
For real?
That was a pretty good run though.
Was it that RS or was it just a regular one?
It was rolling. That was a good run.
Hey bro, you gotta admit this joint nice. Cause even the back goddamn room and shit. And I'm 6'4". I probably fit back there comfortably. Shit, hold on. Hop in that bit. Oh shit, I got in with no damn problem. Let me see. Got headroom and shit. Even though I'm more of a shotgun type driver, but still. Ah shit. My big ass feet almost got caught up. I ain't gonna lie, yours look good, but you remember the one I sent you, the newer ones with the LED brake light? I do like how that shit sit. I'm like, why the fuck they ain't do that shit from the get-go? What's that little joint for? That little joint that's lit up right there, that's orange.
That's performance trim right there now.
Oh, for real?
Performance trim right there. It's the HP.
This man got performance shit, he ain't playing with y'all.
That would give an extra boost right
So
there.
that means he can take out damn SRT4 neons with no problem, right?
I ain't say all that now. It's good for speed.
cleanest Malibu you gonna find within the Georgia, Carolina area.
North Carolina, remember that. You out of state, come down and check us out.
Oh, by the way, see this video and you got like a Mopar or some shit, maybe a Chevy, we don't know yet. But if you got a Mopar, you know, like TMCC, like we recruiting and shit. Like, come on, slide through.
Come on, slide
We
through.
like fam, man. We all like to eat and shit. As long as you're a late night person. If you're a morning person, you can still hang out. It's just,
yeah, you gotta be a late night
we ain't gonna
person,
see you
man.
that often. But slide through.
Late night person.
So, finally made another video. And I'm out this joint. You got anything, last word for the YouTube nation?
Hey, if you view the video, make sure you give it a like.
Oh yeah, I damn sure forgot about that shit. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna try to upload more videos, and hopefully this video come out good. I won't know till I load up to the laptop. Till then, I'll catch y'all on the flip side.
Peace out.